Scared of using Linux, hearing or thinking things that make it look like a hellfire? In this video I will debunk myths regarding Linux. Myth number 1. Linux is only for programmers and hackers. While there are distributions that are focused for programmers and hackers, there are also distros focused for gamers, normal people, and some that are meant for easier transitioning to Linux. Myth number 2. Linux is difficult to use. I think this comes from the fact that it's different and not really difficult. I also get that this comes from seeing the terminal on Linux, but to be fair, as you don't have to use the CMD command prompt in Windows, you don't have to use the terminal on Linux. So you could try Linux in a virtual machine or on an older laptop and try daily driving it, if it works for you or not. Myth number 3. Linux lacks applications. People think due to companies not offering options for Linux users that there is no option for Linux. But the people often forget that there are open source projects and community projects regarding certain software. Also, FlatHub has a huge amount of software a lot of people use on a daily basis. Myth number 4. Linux is not suitable for gaming. Yeah, no, I think this one can die already. While I get that some games regarding kernel level anti-cheat don't run on Linux, the majority run perfectly fine on Linux, even day one. Due to a fork of Wine called Proton, gamers can play games on a Steam Deck, which is Arch-based by the way, and normal Linux desktops. There are also options for all of your gaming libraries like GOG, Steam, Epic Games. Myth number 5. Linux has no viruses or is totally secure. In this section I will list types of malware that are probably unknown, so I'll list the definitions. Ransomware. Malicious software made to encrypt files on someone's PC and demands a payment. Also called ransom. Rootkit. Malicious software designed to hide itself and other malware on a system, giving attackers high-level or root access without the user noticing. Cryptojacking. Unauthorized use of someone's computer to mine cryptocurrency. Botnets. Networks of infected computers or bots controlled by attackers sending spam or mining cryptocurrency collectively without owner's consent. I wouldn't say that Linux is totally secure, no. It just doesn't have the same system vulnerabilities as Windows, because obviously it's a completely different system architecture. There's ransomware, toolkits, cryptojacking, and botnets. Also, by default, a firewall is not activated, so that's a thing you need to do or install. Well, activated. Myth number 6. Can it do important or professional work on Linux? I agree on one statement. Not all of the professional software is available without workarounds on Linux. But that doesn't mean there isn't any software for important or professional work. Linux for the desktop isn't perfect, but neither is macOS or Windows. So can we please stop labeling Linux as being completely unusable for the normal person? I had my dad use it, and what can I say? He used it, watched movies, wrote documents, and did some usual browsing. What, by the way, the regular person does. So I hope I gave you a clear view regarding it right now, and that you enjoyed the video. See ya.